Top 5 free AI tools you should be using in 2025. Artificial intelligence isn't just the future, it's the present. And the best part? You don't need to spend a dime to access some of the most powerful AI tools out there. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 free AI tools you should be using in 2025. Tools that can write for you, design for you, organize your life, and even boost your income. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, student, or just curious, there's something here for you. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, your AI assistant. You've heard of it, but are you really using it to its full potential? ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, is more than just a chatbot. You can write emails and articles, generate ideas and scripts, learn new topics, even get coding help. The free version is powered by GPT 3.5, and it's incredibly capable. For most users, that's more than enough to 10x productivity. Pro tip: use specific prompts to get better results. I'll link my top prompts in the description. Tool number 2, Notion AI, organize with intelligence. If you love to stay organized, this tool is for you. Notion AI turns your regular Notion workspace into a supercharged productivity hub. It can summarize notes, create to-do lists, write blog posts, and even brainstorm ideas, all within the same platform you use to manage your day. Why it's great: combines AI with workspace organization, a rare combo. Tool number 3, Canva AI Magic Studio, design without skills. Designing social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, or presentations. Canva's AI features like Magic Write, Magic Design, and Background Remover help you do it all effortlessly. It's perfect for non-designers who still want professional-level graphics. Bonus tip: use Canva's AI image generator to create unique visual assets. Tool number 4, Leonardo.Ai, Mid-Journey's free alternative. Want to create stunning AI-generated art, but don't want to pay for Mid-Journey? Try Leonardo.AI. It's free, with daily credits, and offers styles for realistic portraits, fantasy, product mock-ups, and more. Creators, game designers, and marketers love it. Note: registration may be required to join the beta. Tool number 5, Perplexity AI, Smarter Google. This tool is like Google if it gave you direct answers with real citations. Ask any question, and Perplexity gives you concise, accurate answers and shows its sources. It's perfect for students, researchers, or anyone tired of digging through blog posts to find one answer. These AI tools aren't just cool, they're powerful. And the fact that they're free? That's the real game changer. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below. I respond every one. And if you want more AI tools, tutorials, and tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. This is just the beginning.